Today's lesson is long A pattern ale. Let's read. Ale, pale. Ale, sail. Ale, tail. Ale, male. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. Pale, sail, tail, male. One more time. Pale, sail, tail, male. Great job! Now let's match the following pictures with their correct names. Pale. Perfect! The correct answer is picture number 2. Sail. Wonderful! The correct answer is picture number 1. Male. Wonderful! The correct answer is picture number 2. Tail. Great! The correct answer is picture number 1. Let's read the following sentences. She looks pale. She looks pale. It is on sale. It is on sale. He reads a tale. He reads a tale. It is a male dog. It is a male dog. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. She looks pale. It is on sale. He reads a tale. It is a male dog. Wonderful! You did a very good job today. And because of that, you have a pizza! See you next time!